If you want to transfer data from iPhone to Redmi A7 Pro, what you can do is you can use the MI Mover app, which you should have pre-installed on your Redmi A7 Pro. Of course, this means that we need to download exactly the same app on our iPhone, which is pretty simple. You just have to go to the App Store, and then over here you can easily search for MI Mover. There we go. Unfortunately, for some reason the app is not translated, at least in my case it is not translated, but this is the app that we are looking for. So you want to install it and then open it whenever you have it ready. We're gonna also open it on Redmi A7 Pro. On Redmi we want to choose that this is the new device, of course, and we want to choose that we want to transfer data from iPhone or Apple. Grant all the necessary permissions. Then we will create a hotspot and this QR code is going to be generated. On iPhone, choose that this is the old phone and we want to scan this QR code. And then confirm that you want to join the Wi-Fi network. Now let's wait a couple of seconds. Now both devices are trying to connect. And once that happens, you can choose whatever you want to transfer. Of course, we have some limitations. Unfortunately, we cannot transfer everything from iPhone to an Android. For example, we cannot transfer apps. You have to download them manually from the Play Store on your Redmi A7 Pro. So in this case, I'm just gonna transfer images because I don't need anything else. In your case, you probably want to transfer everything, so make sure that everything is selected. And then just tap on the transfer in order to confirm. Do not close this page over here, this menu, until the transfer is done. And once it is done, you can of course tap on the done button, and that is all. On Redmi A7 Pro, we're gonna tap on done as well. And then that is it. Leave a like and subscribe.